Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back. So actually, just a couple of updates. I haven't uploaded a lot of content lately, specifically because I was actually out of town. I went to work in Europe for a couple of weeks, so I wasn't here. Obviously, I didn't upload any kind of video or anything because I was actually over there. Since then, I came back. I did order a couple of stuff that we will be installing this weekend on the Can-Am, and I will go over the unboxing in a couple minutes. The other thing is I did order a replacement for my rim as well, so I decided that I will actually for now keep the AOM rims on the Can-Am, but I will order some wider rims for the sand dunes and the sand tires. The AOMs have been working really well on dirt. It's just on the sand dunes they definitely didn't work. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So that rim should be getting here roughly on Tuesday. That's what the tracker said. So I will do that on Tuesday. We will get that and we will change the tires back to put the dirt all-terrain tires on the Can-Am. In the meantime, this weekend I'm going to install two of the things that I just ordered, which I will show you in a couple seconds. But I wanted to also call out that I will be organizing a little gathering, or a little gathering for a weekend, so we can go a ride out, so people can join me to ride. I was thinking of doing it here in Hollister Hill since it's close by, and then a lot of people are from the South Bay and from the North Bay as well. And then I have also a lot of people down from South California, so maybe if they can come, that would be great. So I will provide more details on that. In the meantime, what I want to show you right now is the unboxing of a couple of stuff that I bought. So number one thing that I just bought, as you will be able to see now, this is a motorcycle DVR HD digital recorder. So basically it's like a dash cam, same as the Autovox that I bought, but this one actually same, has a 1080p camera, front and rear both. The good advantage of this is the entire system is fully waterproofed, so I don't have to deal with anything. And the other thing is it's Wi-Fi. It has a small screen right here that you can see some of the images. I tested out. It's really small. The advantage is you can connect it to the iPad. So the goal here is to actually use these small cameras that I have here as side mirrors. So I will be putting those two cameras instead of my side mirrors in order to have kind of a view and be able to see, the sides and the rear of the vehicle. Because right now I have the rear camera that allow me to basically see the rear of what's going on behind me with the Autovox, but I don't see anything that is happening on the sides or on the sides behind. So this will actually fix that. This is a system that is fully waterproofed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put two cameras. It comes with two cameras, and it will allow me to have that to be put as the side mirrors. It also comes with a small remote that I will probably put on the cabin as well. It comes with the main unit, which is waterproof as well. You can put a DVR in DVR mode, and also as well put a little memory on it. And it comes obviously with a power. So what I'm going to be doing is this weekend I'm going to install this as a side mirrors instead of the side mirrors, so I can have a complete rear view and at the same time be able to record anything. So basically I will be able to have a 360-degree recording angle, meaning that I will have the Autovox recording the front and the rear, and I will have this thing recording the sides as well. So I will have a complete 360 view on the Can-Am. I may try to actually, with the software, try to record a 360 video on YouTube, see if that is possible, or at least on Facebook maybe, not sure. But this is the product that we will be installing. So it comes with the two small cameras, the remote, the main unit, power cord obviously. So it has the power cord right here. Attached to the power cord, there's what they call the smart power, meaning that it's a loud smart vehicle power module. it's allowed to actually, store some energy if you see any movements and be able to record, and also when the engine is off to actually be able to turn off as well. So it comes with that extension for the cables cameras. These are really strong and sturdy, so I do like that. So that's one of the things that I like that I didn't like on the outer box. So this is pretty good. Extension for the other camera as well, and then a USB cable so we can test it as well. So I did like that. I was able to test it out. It comes also as well with a lot of like M3 double-sided tapes, so you can put all the different jiggy-majiggy modules and everything. Screws, so you can put install the cameras and everything. So that's pretty good. Manuals, and basically this thing you plug it into your iPhone or iPad as well. So here that's what I did, and as you know, I use my iPad on the front dash. So I will be connecting that to the front dash, and will allow me to basically be able to see my sides and the rear on my sides as well. So all the rear side of it and the sides of it, and then with the autobox I will be able to see the rear, the back. So I will have a complete 180 degrees from the front to the back, 180 degrees complete view. So I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna hit anything. On top of it, I will be able to record it. I just take a memory into it, so I will be able to make better videos, everything on 1080p. So that should be great. On the front camera, I'm also gonna be using, the autobox for recording, but I'm also gonna be using actually the GoPro now, because I wanna make sure that I record all the sound and everything with a better quality. So on my videos, I'm gonna be recording a little bit better, put less of that music, and also put a little bit more of the engine, especially now that I have a better exhaust and I have like the stage 5, should be looking better. So we will be putting all that together on it. So that's one of the installs that we will do this weekend. Once I install it, I obviously will make a video of the install. Once I install that, what I'm going to do is install this second thing. So this second thing that I have right here actually has an app because you can control it, but this is basically Rock Lights. So Rock Lights, it works with iOS 7 and above, Android 4.3 and above. It has Bluetooth control remote, and this is the thing. So it comes with all the base that are to make it Bluetooth, rubber, pretty good, sturdy, that's good. Comes with a bunch of those. Comes with all the pods that have the lights that will change, a huge amount of cable, and then the main unit that we will plug into the power as well. So all the screwdrivers, everything comes in. This is one that has 12 modules. So we will be installing 12 modules on the Can-Am. Sorry if I put my hand in front. On the Can-Am, we will be installing those 12 modules on the Can-Am. So I was actually thinking of putting 2 below each wheel. So the complete wheelbase is going to be really lighted, a little bit turned kind of like towards outside, so we can also see the glow around. We'll put probably one on the front and one on the rear, so we can have that glow of the engine as well. And on the front, have that grill, below the grill, have that glow as well. That should be pretty good. So that would make 10. I will have 2 pods left that I'm actually thinking putting on the inside of the cabin. One probably on the passenger side and one on the pilot side, to have kind of that glow in the cabin as well, to make it pop. It has multiple colors, so you can actually basically take on your phone, your app, you can select the colors, change patterns, you can have like the cup kind of thing. So I like this one. I will be posting the links on the comments, so you can buy them on Amazon. I will also make the video of the installs just so you guys know. But yeah, this is the things that are coming up this weekend. We will install the rear side cameras, so this thing is going to be fully camera proof all around, and then the Rock Lights as well. And then, as I said, I have the ring coming up on Tuesday, next Tuesday, unfortunately. And then after that, I want to make a ride, so I will be posting on all my social network. So Instagram mainly, that's the one that I use the most. And Facebook, I don't really use much. But yeah, on Instagram, I'm going to be posting those rides. I will probably make a video as well to talk about the ride as well. but I'm planning on doing that ride, if I'm not wrong, the second week of July. So right after, well, actually not the second week, it's the first weekend of July. So it's gonna be that, yeah, probably, yeah, the first weekend of July, which I think it will be around the 7th, Saturday, the 7th of July. So people will probably take like the long weekend. If you guys want to come and camp and everything, we will be there. Everyone's going to be there. So me, my friends, some of the people that are actually following the YouTube channel that are actually awesome. We will be, doing that ride there in the Hollister Hills. So hopefully, guys, I can see you there. If you're planning on coming, you're always welcome. Send me messages on Instagram. Send me messages everywhere. I always like to be in touch with all the people that actually follow the channel. So I will organize that, and I will put some more details as well. But this video mainly is just to let you know, guys, that I'm back from my long trip, so I'm going to be posting videos again. As you can see, this weekend we're going to be installing the new cameras as well as the rock lights, and I will show you all that, how to do so. And also this weekend I have one of my friends that got the same sound system that I got from my Can-Am, but his Can-Am X3 is a 2-seater, so we will install the 2-seater system, and we will also obviously make a video out of it. So we will do that on Saturday morning. I will record everything, post it, and upload the video as well, so you can see how easy it is to really install that thing. And then probably do a small ride after that, if we can. All right. So people, if you have any questions, any comments, any things that you want to add, let me know. Feel free to put it under the comment. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see the next coming up videos are coming in. About tires, about the new rims coming in, about the installation of the rock lights, about the installation of the new cameras, the reviews of it, because obviously after I install it I will make a big review out of it and show how it works and everything, and I will probably do a full what's on the Can-Am right now install. I have plenty of stuff going on through it, and then I will be posting as well a lot of rides now that the ride season is coming. We're going to be doing a lot of rides all the month of June, and then the month of July, and then August, September. Probably September I'm planning on doing another sand dunes ride there, down there in Pismo, and if not Pismo, I may also organize it down into Glamis. So keep posted, and subscribe to make sure that you don't miss those videos as well, and you can post the comments, post your questions. I had a lot of questions coming in on the YouTube channel. I had a lot of questions coming in through Instagram as well, so feel free to ask. I will respond, and I will do my best to respond as quick as possible with the knowledge that I have. So guys, hopefully you subscribe, you can support the channel so we can keep going and doing on this stuff. I will post the links on this thing, but roughly this I got it for $100, and then this I got it for $100. So $200 on rock lights and on camera system to have a better rear view and also record everything. So guys, it's not that expensive. So hopefully guys, you can follow up, and if you like that, give me your comments, give me your advice, what you think about it. But well, see you next time.